Well, welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best Black Friday doorbuster deals at your local Home Depot. So let's dive in. All right, guys, we're going to take a look at the Black Friday deals going on right now at Home Depot. As you see, stores open Friday at 6 a.m. and closed on Thanksgiving Day. So we're going to check out some of these items we see right here. Couple items initially. We got the Nutcracker, and then also we have the Grinch, a couple little fun inflatables. We also have Christmas tree here, 79 bucks on that. So pretty good prices on all of these decorations. Another pre-lit candy cane for 79 bucks as well. And then we see some of these other doorbusters here, some cool items. We have the 27-gallon Tough Tote. This has been on sale for a while, but right there, that price at $6.97, that's a great deal. Also have a couple other fun little mold characters. So if you got the blow mold options with the Mickey Mouse and also the Minions there for 40 bucks, pretty good deal right there. Collapsible snowman decorations, 99 bucks. Also the poinsettia here, 2 for $2.50, 1 day only, so that's for $11.29. So if you want to grab one of those, better go ahead and do it now. Then we have a couple garage door openers, your choice for 99 bucks. Both ultra quiet garage door opener, and then again another option for that right here. Then we have the Rigid 16-gallon wet dry vac. Again, Rigid's one of the best options for that. That's a great deal, 59 bucks. Then we have the Gorilla ladder here, $90, 18-foot aluminum multi-position ladder. I have one very similar to this, and I like it a lot. It's small and compact, but you can move it around, and then you can make it tall and works really well. Then we go to Milwaukee. We see their M12 series here, the hex screwdriver kit, 59 bucks. That is a great option right there. Milwaukee is one of the best brands and best options for that. We also have the Ryobi combo kit here. We have the drill and also the multi-tool set for 79 bucks. DeWalt 3 battery pack, $99, another great deal. And then Ryobi's stick vacuum here for $99. You get to save 50 bucks on this. Then we get into some more Ryobi items. We see this small little 10-piece bit set, little screwdriver. I think this is a great DIY option, great for putting those items together, whether it's IKEA or little small toys for kiddos. I think it's a great one. Then we get into the larger drill driver set here for 40 bucks. Again, a great set right there with the little bit chargers, or the bits and the charger. I think that's an awesome option for that. Then we have those small wet dry vac hand vac, 70 bucks for this as well. Another great deal. Then a couple of Milwaukee items. We have the tape measure here, 10 bucks. Pretty good deal with that one. A hammer, again, solid option. We have some bit sets. Those are pretty cool right there. And then, again, the 12-volt battery here, 50 bucks. Great deal for that one. Then a couple more tools. The Sawzall right here for 80 bucks. It comes with the battery and the charger. Super nice. You also have the power supply here, 99 bucks. Pretty good deal on that one. 2 batteries and the little battery rack here, 100 bucks on that one. And then also the radio speaker, and it says it fits the pack out right here. So if you need that and you have the pack out, you can definitely pick that up. Then we also have another ladder here, 60 bucks for this. Another set of batteries here for DeWalt, 99 bucks. We have the Flex Volt 20-volt battery for 150. Another great option for that one. And then also the DeWalt circular saw here for 150. Then if you want to grab some of these, we have the hair and grease option here for almost 5 bucks, pretty good deal. Screen door, 99 bucks. And we also have the Ryobi high pressure inflator, $25 on this one. I think it's a great thing, again, just to keep around, all kind of fun stuff for that. Then we have the nail kit and the stapler 4-in-1, 80 bucks on that one as well. I like, again, it has the small battery. Then the 40-volt blower, it includes the battery and the charger. Another great deal right there for 99 bucks. It's really good. And then we have Ryobi chainsaw as well. 14-inch chainsaw, for 99 bucks. Next, we see some tech deals. We saw very similar items at Lowe's. We have the Ring camera here for 100 bucks. Ring floodlight camera for 120. The little 2-pack here for 60 bucks. And then also another option for 80 as well. So a bunch of different camera options. A couple of different ones right here. Again, another brand from Wise. So 20 bucks for this camera. A little indoor-outdoor motion camera. Another setup right here for the floodlight camera for 50 bucks. And another one for 25 bucks. This is the wired option. And then another double option here for the 2-pack spotlight battery cam. We got a couple different ones with blink. A couple blink cameras as well. Very similar setup they had in these other ones. This one has the 5-camera system. Then we also have a couple other cameras. We have the Google Nest doorbell here, the floodlight option as well. Then we have the Google Nest Learning Thermostat, little Gen 4 right there for $229. Also have the Google Nest 2 cams right here for $229. Could save 100 bucks on that one. A couple other gadgets and stocking stuffers. Have the motion area LED light. Have a couple of these. I really like them. Also, the job site speaker here for 25 bucks. TV mount, 25 bucks. Little drone, so if you need a drone, quadcopter drone here for $35. Again, I really like these lights for the garage. This one's down to 29 bucks. Pretty good option on that. 6-pack LED lights, $14. Northern Sky Galaxy LED projector, pretty cool, 9 or 10 bucks. Then also the LED strip there for $5. Next, we got a few more tool deals here. We have the self-leveling line laser from Bosch. Also have the folding hand truck right here from Milwaukee, 29 bucks for that one. We have some drill bits here from Milwaukee. Again, $30, great deal. Then we also have the 16 gauge nailer for DeWalt here. Next, we have a couple different switches. So if you need some light switches, you're going to be doing a few different things on that. You can check out these, 29 bucks, 55, also 89 there. Have a couple different paint options. I really like this 15-in-1 painter's tool. I think that's really cool. There's so many different features and options on that. Then we also have some rollers, a little primer and sealer here. Then we even have the paint. You can grab a Home Depot bucket while you're there, angle brush, and then even the step ladder as well here. 70 bucks, pretty good deal. Then we have some flooring options if you want to grab some flooring, a couple different options with that one. We have the towel saw and the stand here for $300 and a couple different flooring options as well. So you can check these out, different colors, and then also different prices. Then we see this free battery here with the purchase of one of these items. So if you're going to grab one of these heavy-duty items with the circular saw, rotary hammer, or the impact wrench, and you're going to spin this, then you also get the free battery for Milwaukee as well. A couple other Milwaukee items. We have the flannel shirts, great for right now with it getting cooler. Have the double pack here of the 12-volt M12 battery, 79 bucks. Again, another great price. 2-tool combo for $179. Then also the framing nailer as well for $329. Then on to a few DeWalt items. We have the drill bit sets here. We have the impact drivers for 99 bucks. Also the drill here for 99 bucks. And then the battery for $150. A couple more items. We have the 2-tool kit for Atomic here for $150. Again, a great deal on that one. Then we have the 4-tool kit here for $299 with the multi-tool, little sawzall here, and then also the drill and impact driver as well. So a bunch of different options on those. A couple different grills. We have the 2-burner gas grill right here. I think we've seen this a few times on sale here for 99 bucks, and then also Next grill here for $229. Then a couple grill items. I think these things are great if you got the Blackstone and that kind of fun stuff. Also have the Barbecue Daddy steam grill brush, and then even the fire pit here for 90 bucks. Another great deal on that one. A few more in-store deals. We have these food containers right here. Pretty cool option. We've seen these Cuisinart knives on sale here for $17.88. the kitchen slicer, and then also the iron Dutch oven right here from Lodge. 50 bucks on that one. Check that out. Couple online only options right here. We have some of these decorative pieces in the kitchen. You can check these out for some home decor. Also have the non-stick cookware right here. See it for $420. Then the indoor wood pellet smoker for $6.99. I mean, that's pretty cool. Never seen that before. Also, we have a couple other items. We have the countertop air fryer, warming tray, popcorn maker, and then knife set, and some also other decorative items and other storage things like that. Then we get into some of their washer and dryers. You can check some of these out. This is the ultra fast combo washer dryer. So if you want the GE or LG or Samsung, you can check out these prices. Really good deals on these. Great time to purchase these. Maytag has theirs for $548. I think it's a great option for that one. So pretty good deal. You also have the Samsung here, electric washer or electric dryer for $628, and then LG, the stackable washer or electric dryer for $798. So great deals on those. Then we have a couple other cleanup options. Whether you need a stick vacuum, a couple different stick vacuums. We saw the Ryobi one earlier as well. And then here's a Shark, and then also the small little Hoover. So some good options with those. Then we have a couple of different kitchen options. You can see the different prices on these right here. So a bunch of different kitchen appliances, whether you need a stove, fridge, microwave, or even the dishwasher, a bunch of different options for those. A couple other ones right here. So again, a great time to purchase one of these. If you need them, you can definitely do that. And then we even have some instant savings. Also, the buy more, save more option. When you buy 2 appliances, you get to save $200. If you buy 4, you get to save up to $1,000. So great prices on those. Check them out. A couple other options as well. You can see all of these right here, LG and Whirlpool. Bunch of different ones. So whatever you might need, make sure you check those out here. And then again, we have another set as well. So whatever you might be looking for, you can check these out. See all of these as well. Different sets, different stuff here. So again, a bunch of different kitchen appliances. You can check all these out. These might be stuff you might be interested in. See these, even a little mini fridge right here for $90. Pretty cool option on that one. And then always love a portable ice maker as well there for $79. And then a few other items we see again. Poinsettias here, 2 for $10. The wreaths, 2 for $20. Also have the pre-lit Christmas tree for $80 there. I do love the Battery Daddy. I did show you all that in another video. Had the other one with the light on it, but pretty cool right here for $9 or $10. Little extension cord if you need one of those. I like it has all the extra plugs, and then so does this smart outlet here. Batteries are on sale. Energizer batteries, $15 for that one. And then again, here's some more upgrades for the holidays. We've seen some of these, but some lights right there, some cameras we've seen, even some faucets, toilets, and other options right there. A bunch of different options for those. But overall, I think there's some great deals going on right now at Home Depot's Black Friday sale. Let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing. Also, if this video is helpful, you can leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.